got here?
2018 CRF450R.
Of course, with fat tires.
Gotta have the fat tires.
Let's not waste any time. Let's get this thing started up and go for a test ride.
Trying to find the old choke.
Everyone's always asking, is the 300 too slow? Well, if the 300 is too slow, go to a 450. It's pretty simple.
Hang out on the road.
Dude, Arizona, no helmet laws. We're doing what the hell you want out here. Yeah, it's just play grips, man. This is a used bike that a customer actually sent to us. I'm just doing a little quick test ride. We're gonna go back to a bulk check. But if you guys like big wheel kits, head over to bbcbigwheels.com. Also go to bbcoffroad.com and definitely check out our other videos. We got install videos and how all these kits work. So we'll see you guys in the next video.